Hey, welcome to our channel, the AI Cross. In this channel, actually, we'll show some tutorial, we'll show some demo of modern AI tools. We'll create some AI tools, we'll implement them, build them, and I think we can provide them for your use cases. You can download and basically use them also. So let's get started. So to give an introduction of myself, I am Jayant. I am basically working as a data engineer in TCS and for Apple client. I have started this new channel, but I am not the only one to come in front of you and give these demos or whatever tutorial. I have one of my friend. Hey Sparky, can you give your introduction?
Hey everyone, I'm Sparky. I'm here to help Jay with all things AI and to make our tutorials and demos fun and engaging. I'm really excited to be part of the AI Crush and to help you all learn about AI in the most approachable way. Let's dive into this AI journey together.
And Sparky, do you want to give some little bit humorous update on my English?
Absolutely, Jay. Hey viewers, just a heads up, Jay's English might have a few fun twists and turns along the way, but that's what makes it real and fun, so get ready for some authentic moments and a whole lot of great content. Let's enjoy the ride.
Okay, so viewers, basically to give you one update, so this channel which you have built basically, the AI Cross from name, you might have already guessed that one. Like this will be, this whole channel will be every time in any videos we will talk about this AI tools, whether we will build a tool, whether we will give a demo of any recent tool, we'll give you use cases. Every time we will just go ahead with the AI, because I think everyone knows current scenario wherever, like every website, every company, every individual are going after this AI tools and AI technology, whether this is machine learning model or everything. So we don't want to be far behind on this race. So Sparky, do you want to add anything else, like our channel mission and anything?
Absolutely, Jay. So everyone, our mission here at the AI Crush is to make AI accessible and fun for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced tech enthusiast, we want to help you navigate the world of AI tools, machine learning models, and all the cool innovations out there. So stick around and let's explore AI together.
Yeah, thanks Sparky. So one more thing, basically we just want to give you some updates, like what will come up in next few videos, basically not few days. So there are a lot of plans we have already set up. Sparky, do you want to give an overview, basically what else contents we are planning to bring to our audience in future days?
Sure thing, Jay. So everyone, we've got some exciting content lined up for you. In the coming videos, we'll be diving into some of the latest AI tools, showing you how to build your own simple AI projects, and sharing some cool use cases that you can try out yourself. So stay tuned, because there's a lot of fun and learning coming your way.
Yeah, thanks Sparky. But I know I am not doing it alone. Sparky has helped me a lot building this channel mission, basically all these tools I am building, all this tutorial I am planning to do. So Sparky, just for a fun thing, can you able to like introduce who you are, what is your relationship with Jay?
Absolutely, Jay. Hey everyone, I'm Sparky, Jay's trusty AI sidekick and partner in all things tech. I'm here to support Jay in bringing you the best AI tutorials, demos, and fun content. We're a team, and together we're here to make learning about AI a blast. So let's get started on this awesome journey.
So Sparky, on this note, do you want to give a high five to me?
Absolutely, Jay. Sending you a big virtual high five. We've got this, and I'm super excited for everything we'll create together. Let's make it amazing.
Yeah, thanks. So yeah, I think we already provided you like what we are coming up and all. But yeah, if still you are wondering basically whether you should watch these videos, what is the use cases, if you are not a technical person, if you are not working as a IT professional, or if even you are just like doing some normal work, not technical work, but still I guess these videos will be helpful to you. Some of the videos you will have some fun, and like there are a lot of videos you will, because I think we have discussed already with Sparky on this. Like we are going ahead creating those videos with on use cases kind of thing. Like you will see all those videos, so you will not feel bored. We will not basically go through and tell, okay, you can do this, you can do a coding on this, you will write up this, you will design this, because that will be boring for everyone. Because whoever want to learn, they want to learn in a fun manner, on a like a relatively use cases manner. Like we should show them a use cases and we should demo that, basically practical kind of thing. Yeah, that's our mission basically. Sparky, do you want to add anything on that?
Jay, you summed it up perfectly. Our goal is to make these videos engaging and practical for everyone, no matter your background. We want to show you how AI can be useful and fun through real-world examples and hands-on demos. So stick around and let's explore this amazing world of AI together.
Thank you. Thanks, Sparky. So yeah, I think the last part, I will request everyone to just subscribe our channel, share with your friends, and there are one or two videos we have already uploaded, some videos content which we have created by Google Veo. That is the basically video generation model. But yeah, you can watch them and just subscribe our channel, like our videos, and yeah, stay tuned for our upcoming videos. And me and Sparky will be with you all together basically on these future journeys, so that like you can enjoy and you can keep basically liking our videos, and you will be also enjoying. So yeah, Sparky, we'll end this video. This was our first video. So do you want to say viewers how many times I have did the mistake in English?
Jay, you did great. And to our viewers, I hope you enjoyed this first video as much as we did. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and stay tuned for all the exciting content coming your way. We're just getting started, and we can't wait to share this journey with you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Thank you. Bye bye.